Okay guys, so sorry about the last video. That got cut off pretty quickly. Apparently, not only were those loud fireworks shot off, that apparently triggered some of my PTSD that I didn't even realize that I had. And that I can discuss. So, 4 years ago in October, I witnessed a shooting outside of my house. And literally in the alley of my apartment complex. Sorry, loud truck. I'm walking. And it turned out that we found out a year and a half later. Yeah, a year, or over a year later. So this happened in October 2014. Wait, 2015. October 2015, and in November or January 2017. Yeah, so it was like a year and a half later. No, it was like 2 years later. Yeah, it was like 2 years later. So January 2017, we found out by being subpoenaed that it was a gang shooting. And I was dealing with a lot back then. My dog had passed away same month. I was taking care of my grandma. She passed away in February of 2016. She's not gonna ride it right now, honey. Sorry, guys. I'm fixing this. No, honey. No. She's not gonna hold it because she's not wearing it, honey. That's what the wagon's for. He likes this space. Well, that's okay. We'll have to wait. Yeah, and then my grandma passed away February of 2016. And we lost our place. Just go push the button again. Push the button again. And we lost our place in April. Because my grandma was cleaning us and sorry, there's so many trucks so loud. And I guess all of that I just had kind of pushed down and bottled down because when I was subpoenaed, I was actually pregnant with my son and I had just been put on bed rest. So I had to go testify in Supreme Court. That was lovely. So that set off my PTSD last night, and it was intense. I was up for hours afterwards. I had actually planned on going to bed like after I did the Reiki, and that didn't happen. So, fireworks. Yeah, it was pretty bad. So I told two of my neighbors that, understand. One I broke down crying to. And they spoke to the person who set them off. They spoke to, okay honey. They spoke to the neighbor who set them off, and but I have not received an apology or anything yet. Sorry, I am trying to open chips for my son. Okay, you guys, come on. So, yeah, that they talked to him, and apparently he's active duty anymore, which, goddamn, I would hope not. Because, you know, it's not firework season, but I guess it was the neighbor's birthday, which is why he set them off. You know, I just said, you know, I don't care as long as you just give me a warning. And it turns out my kids did wake up to it. They just went back to sleep because neither one of them were around when the shooting happened. So, because obviously my son wasn't even thought of yet, and my daughter was at my mom's that night. So, yeah, PTSD fun, guys. I'm pretty darn calm now, but I will try to do another video with Reiki later, and I guess it's going to be for PTSD, the angels tell me, so that's what we will do. And so yeah, I just wanted to check in and, you know, tell you guys that. But thank you all for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that little bell so when I do go live you will see. And yeah, all right, have a good day.